I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon Echo device. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Amazon Alexa app on your phone, and you want to go to your settings, and then it's deviceless, and you want to deregister this particular device. And once that's done and deregistered, and you want to make sure this is online when you do that, then you can go ahead and follow these steps. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the volume is at the low level, volume 0. And then once that is done, then you want to hold down your mute button and the minus volume button at the same time for about 20 seconds. You get a yellow light that flashed. You can go ahead and let go when you see the blue light. And then right now it's going to be doing the reset process. You can see now it's processing the reset now. Once the blue light turns yellow, then you know it's been reset.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Once you hear that, it's all reset and you can give it to anybody you like. And then they can register it to their account now.